Hi everyone. So in a departure from my usual haunts of the high mountains and deep canyons of the Pacific Northwest, I'm here in amongst the high skyscrapers and deep canyons amongst those skyscrapers in Seattle. And we're going to be going on some adventures here, and I thought I'd bring you all along for the ride. So with that introduction out of the way, we're going to take off for a few minutes to see the Seattle Center and get a kind of a brief preview of what we'll be doing over the next few days. Anyway, let's go.